Hello and welcome back. Are you bored? Are you bored on your edges, crown section, nape? This video is for you. So today I am going to teach you how to grow back your hair on bald spots. I have done it before. It worked. As early as 1 week, my hair started growing. All you just need to do is to be consistent. Be consistent with this recipe that I'm about to share with you. As early as week 1, my edges were already filling up. You guys saw me when I was bored. And what did I use? I used a recipe from this channel. And that is why, if I have done it before, I am the right person to tell you or to teach you how it is done. Look how bushy my edges are. It is not magic. It was from consistency. I was very consistent. Just before you click out, please listen to the instructions. I think I'm going to be putting the important information in the first part of this video. So if you're bored and you want to try out this recipe, if you're not going to be consistent, please do not bother. Don't bother yourself. You have to be consistent and you have to apply it every day with a gentle massage, just as I'm doing. Once you're done applying, you use the pop of your fingers to massage it just the way I am doing. And then after that, do it for 1 to 6 days. On the 7th day, get a mild shampoo and then shampoo that area and then continue. So if you have more questions, ask in the comment section. So the first oil for this recipe is sweet almond oil. If possible, get this brand. Aside olive oil, sweet almond oil is another favorite oil of mine. So this is not the only oil we are going to be using, and you're going to be measuring that out in half a cup. So use a quarter cup into 2. I hope I'm right. Yeah, half a cup basically. The next oil we are going to be using is grapeseed oil. These oils are very light. Sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil. If you have some cash, buy this oil and keep for your DIYs. So the next oil that I'm going to be using is jojoba oil. So I'm just going to be using that in about 1 to 2 tablespoons. Now our next ingredient is rosemary. Guys, I don't know if you know that rosemary is very potent and is an amazing herb, one of the strongest Ayurveda out there. Whether you're using it in fresh form or in dried form, just grab equivalent of 4 sticks, yes, and then pour it in the oil. Preferably follow my instructions in this video if it is possible. And then the next herb that we are going to be using is mint leaves. Rosemary and mint leaves oil. Guys, you need to try this. Whether you're using the dried version or you're using the fresh version, we will all arrive at the same spot, the same answer. So just grab about 2 to 3 stalks of the mint leaves and then begin to fry it in that oil. If you want to do extra, grind them and then pour it in the oil, or you use the oil to grind it, whichever you like. We are all going to arrive at the same result. So after frying it for about 15 minutes in the oil, make sure you're doing this on a low heat. Do not do it on high heat so that you don't burn your ingredients and say, Dimma, this did not work for me. Please take note. Once you strain that, grab your biotin, yes, whether in tablet form or in powder. There are people that sell biotin in powdered form, so whichever you can lay your hands on. So I'm just going to be using a tablet, yeah, and then I'm going to be adding some menthol crystals into it. This menthol crystal, another way you can use it in your oil is by dissolving it in your essential oil. Now, let me shock you. You can dissolve your menthol crystals in essential oil, peppermint essential oil, and then pour it or drop it in your whatever you're using. It could be your hair growth oil. You can add what do you call it again, menthol crystals in it, and then dissolve it and drop about 5 drops in your oil. Now I'm going to be using Optifen as my preservatives, and then afterwards I'll mix everything properly. Make sure to heat up the oil before you add these ingredients. If not, these ingredients, they are going to be burnt while you're trying to infuse the oil. So make sure to add these last ingredients. Add it last. It is either you pound your menthol crystals with your biotin, or you infuse your menthol crystals in essential oil. Essential oil dissolves it very fast. So once you're done, you can just add it in drops in your hair growth oil. Guys, use this religiously on your bald area, whether you're bald on the crown section or you're bald on your edges. Apply this every blessed day. Massage it in, just about 0 to 5 minutes massage, and then you go about your normal day activities. And then on the 6th day, go on ahead to wash off the oil on your bald area with a mild and gentle shampoo, and then continue with your massage. Remember, apply from 1 to 6 days, and then on the 7th day you shampoo the bald area, and then you continue. You wouldn't even know when the hair will start growing out. So let me hear your feedbacks in 3 months. You have to give these 3 months to work. You don't just apply for 2 weeks and run back and tell me, Dimma, this did not work. I just want to share a feedback with you that got me tearing up. One of you sent me a feedback under one of my videos, basically one of my recent videos. In her words, I'm going to post it on my community tab. Be sure to check it. It will go up before this video or after this video. In her words, she said, Dimma, thank you so much. I just have to appreciate you for inspiring me. You taught me a lot, and from your channel I've been able to grow my hair to mid-back length, and I've been able to start off a business. I have helped so many persons who have seen my hair asking what I did to my hair, and then they have always requested I share what I've been using, and I kind of make these products from your channel, and I've been sharing with them, my community, and their hair is thriving so well. She said a lot of good prayers for me, and it got me tearing up. And I was like, wow, this thing that I'm always showing up here every day, oh my goodness, I never knew that I'm impacting a lot of persons. And that's one of my goals, coming here to share with you guys my little knowledge and watching you guys blossom, using this information, putting this information into practice, and having to see a lot of results, see a lot of you guys share feedbacks with me. Oh my God, if I could count how many times you guys have prayed for me, a lot of you have prayed for me. Like, I was like, let me know if God will not bless me with all the prayers from you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for the love and support. And that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on our next one. Bye.